Billy and the Bulldozer. One morning, Billy was at the docks when the Fat Controller arrived. "Billy, I want you to take some slate to the quarry today." "Yes, sir," said Billy, and Billy puffed away. Billy found the slate truck. Billy was coupled to it. "Be careful," said Percy. "There are mighty bulldozers at the quarry, so be on your best lookout." Billy ignored Percy and puffed away. "Bulldozers," said Billy. "Percy's going soft on the boiler. There are no such things as bulldozers." But Billy was wrong. He hurried along the line. He went through Tidmouth Sheds, and he went past by the station. He hurried along his way. He made it to Boulder Mountain, when suddenly he heard some rubble crumbling, like rocks crumbling into the ground. "What's going on?" said Billy. "Listen," said the driver. Billy heard it. It was the bulldozer. "Oh no," he said, "the bulldozer. Percy was right." And he was. Slate began to fall, and then rocks and rubble began to fall, and it hit Billy all over. Billy was hurt. "Ow! That hurt!" "That hurt!" he shouted. "Incoming!" said the truck. "Ah! Incoming!" said the truck. "Ow! Oh!" His driver and fireman took cover, but Billy was hurt. "Ow! Ow!" he screamed. Billy was hurt. His paint was scratched. "I didn't mean to ignore Percy's cautions," he cried in alarm. His driver laughed. "No one's blaming you," he said. And with that, Billy puffed away. He was very cross. He arrived at the quarry, and the slate were delivered. Billy was wrong to ignore Percy's cautions. He looked really ridiculous, and with that, Billy puffed out of the quarry. He didn't want to be hit by the bulldozer again. He was really annoyed with himself. Later that day, Billy was sent to the works to be mended. His paint was scratched, and Billy was hurt. With that, he was sent to the works to be mended, and the manager asked the Fat Controller if he could borrow Toby while he was away. "What about the trucks down here, sir?" Toby asked anxiously. "I'm afraid this means more work for you, Toby," he said. "You remember what happened to Thomas, don't you?" And with that, Toby had to be content.